Hi guys, welcome to Part-Time Kitchen. Today we'll be making some dry chili chicken. If you like my recipes, then subscribe and comment down below. Okay, to make this recipe, I'm using some chicken thighs cut into chunks, some garlic paste, ginger paste, chicken cube powder, some black pepper, soy sauce, some corn flour, one beaten egg, and first mix everything together, then we'll be adding some flour. Some flour, all-purpose flour, and mix once again. You need to mix it until the whole thing gets sticky. Okay. Now warm up some oil. We'll be deep frying these chicken pieces, so we need the oil to be nice and hot. Now fry the chicken. Fry the chicken pieces until 5 to 7 minutes on each side. Meanwhile, we need to make the sauce. To make this, we'll need some soy sauce, some vinegar, some chili sauce. I'm using sriracha chili sauce, some corn flour, salt, some sugar, water, and mix everything until well combined. Now check on the chicken. The chicken looks done, nice and golden brown. After all the chicken pieces are done, you want to remove most of the oil, only keep 1 to 2 tablespoons of oil. Now add some chopped garlic, add the sauce we made earlier, cut some jalapeno slices, or you can also use some bell peppers, onion slices. Chicken cube powder again. The chicken cube powder gives it a nice restaurant quality taste. If you don't have that, don't use it. And if you don't use it, just to make sure, adjust the salt accordingly. Now add the chicken pieces. Cook this until the chicken pieces are coated with the sauce. If you like your chili chicken to be more on the saucy, gravy side, then you can use a little bit more water, but I'm not going to use it because I like it dry. Okay, finish it up. We want to sprinkle some sesame seeds. There you go. Enjoy your dry chili chicken with some fried rice or even with some steamed rice. If you like my recipes, don't forget to subscribe and comment down below. Thanks for watching. Bye.